guys, it's Brad from BBP Boxing Bootcamp and welcome back to another video. Same drill as always guys, if you're watching please comment, let me know. Let me know if you're using all these ideas I'm putting out to help your members, to help your boxers, to help yourself at home. Yeah, so in the comments let me know so we can get to know you, get to know you a little bit more, see what you're after, see what you're up to. And if you haven't subscribed guys, please subscribe for more stuff like this. Yeah, okay, so today this is an important one today. We're going to go through the 1-2, so how to throw that 1-2 punch. So this is if you're at boot camp, you've got guys holding pads. If you've got a bag at home, obviously it's just sat there, you really want to do some boxing, you don't really know obviously how to throw or what to throw, but after this, you watch this video, you'll be able to use the bag. Your members will be able to punch if you can obviously teach them correctly after showing you. It's very simple though guys, yeah. And obviously guys, if you're boxing coaches as well, I picked these up from other coaches, my boxing coach and stuff like that throughout the years. So everything I'm bringing in is from boxing coaches. Okay, so you're gonna go through the 1-2, but first of all I'm gonna be in that orthodox stance, which is the style that I fight in. So if you don't know your stance guys, then go back through the videos and see what I've been up to, showing you different bits and bobs to be able to use your bag and obviously box and to box at boot camp and stuff like that. I'll leave a link in the description anyway guys, okay? Okay, so we're throwing that 1-2. So what we're going to do first is I'm just going to show you off the bag. So I'm in my boxing stance like that. Now you've got your guard nice and tight to your chin. Yeah, you want to be elbows tucked in, guard nice and high. So the whole reason why that guard needs to be nice and high is obviously it's protecting your face, but this is where the punches are going to come from. Okay, so that's why they need to come back there. So if you're throwing punches, obviously you leave them back down here, then you need to throw another punch. Obviously then you have to move up and then punch out like that. Okay, so you're in that boxing stance. From the side, I'm going to throw that jab out. So I'm going to show you from the side, I'm going to show you square on as well. So we're going to punch all the way out like that, yeah? So the arm is nice and long, and as it comes out, you're going to keep the chin tucked in, and then that shoulder there is going to cover my chin. As you can see there, you should be able to see my chin because I'm covered and I'm all the way out. And notice how my balance within my stance remains the same. So I'm not over punching and I'm not under punching, yeah? So then I can fire that out like that and be nice and tucked in. So from this side, as you can see, this whole time, my right hand is going to be glued to my chin, so I throw that jab out, and that's still glued there. And then if you were to fight, obviously if you get hit there, gloves there, hit that side, the shoulders there. So that's that jab, as you stand there and pump it out like that. So from square on there, so let's say, obviously, we're in a fight now, guys, yeah, you sat there watching this, and now all of a sudden you've got into a boxing fight, you know? So we're there like that, and obviously I'm going to throw that out like that, yeah, so I'll put it down a little bit so you can see, obviously I'm covered there, and I'm covered there as well. That's where obviously that jab comes all the way out. So I'm looking, as you see it comes out like a piston, and it twists there at the last second, and obviously comes back in, bang, twists straight back into the guard. So a lot of time you'll see it guys at your boot camps, at your gyms, get a lot of lazy fighters. People in general are lazy, they're going to try and get out of things a lot. Rewind that, wait a minute Brad. What's going on? People will try and make things easier because obviously as we are now these days, we're getting lazier and lazier. So you'll see that jab and then they'll bring it back down there. Or they'll jab out and that hand's there like that. Yeah, we don't want none of that. We want to be there, bang, like that. Okay, so that's that jab. We're just going to show you a few on the back now. So everything's going to come together from all the videos that we've done before. So you're up on your toes and then bang, it's all the way out. Bang, like that, yeah. You're a good distance away, so you're not too close, and obviously if you end up bending the arm, you're going to lose power in that jab. It needs to be nice and snappy. Yeah, that jab's nice and important, it finds your range. So if you're on the bag, that's where you know your range are. God, I'm doing awful today. If you're on the bag, this is where it finds your range, yeah? So, bang like that. So obviously if we're here, and we're doing little short jabs, there's nothing for me, my shoulder, my elbow, or my wrist. Yeah, and it will do nothing for that power hand as we get onto that in a second. As you see, that's going to come in, it's a waste of time, it's bent, you know. So you're there, you can find your range, and then bang it out, bang, bang, like that. Okay, so that's that jab, it helps you find your range. So now we're going to attack backhand, and it's exactly the same, yeah? So from here, side on, you're going to throw that backhand like that. And as you can see, the same principles apply. My shoulder is covering my chin, and on that side, my chin's guarded there as well from an attack, yeah? And my elbow's nice and down, stopping those body shots coming in. Okay, so you're there like that, so I'll show you from the front, get ready again, get your water, get your towel, get your corner men, because we're back in that fight, yeah? So I'm here like that, I'm going to throw that right hand, and then boom, like that. And the same again, as you can see, you ain't going to hit me there, you ain't going to hit me there. If you're fast enough, you might be able to counter punch, get underneath there and hit that body, baby. We'll touch on that on another day, yeah? So I'm going to throw that 1-2 into the bag now. As you can, I'll show you on the bag, I'm going to show you square on, yeah? Show you loads of different angles today, see? Always giving. So on the bag, 1, 2, you see them both turn in, bang, bang, like that. Bang, bang. And I'm in that nice firm stance. So as if from here then, back in that fight again, I'm throwing that, the jab comes back, then I throw the right hand after. So they're not kind of crossing over each other, they're going at the same time. This is awful. They're not going at the same time, obviously not, otherwise you'd just be going boom, boom, like a cheerleader, yeah? So you're gonna be there like that, and then the left goes, you bring the left back, then throw the right. Obviously, once you start getting used to this, you'll be able to use that so it looks a lot faster. Bang, bang, like that. As you can see, when it's fast, the amount of time that this leaves your face is minimal, yeah? So obviously there like that, boom, boom, like that, you see? Obviously, my elbows, sometimes a little bit too wide, yeah? Keep them nice and narrow, bang, bang. Obviously, it's great if you have a mirror. Obviously, I'm kind of looking at the camera now, I can see what's happening. But, so if you get a mirror and you're there like that, bang, bang, so they're just coming down the pipe, bang, bang, you can see the whole time I'm covered, bang, bang. So I know guys, if you are doing this at boot camp or if you are doing this at home, you're never going to fight, obviously, or if you're never going to fight. It's just nice to be able to learn something the right way, so you kind of know what to do, kind of know what to look out for, and obviously it just helps being able to box correctly, yeah? And obviously it looks a lot better. And say if you're on your bag at home and obviously you just, yeah, you're not going to get anything out of it. So the idea of it, see, I run a boxing boot camp. Obviously, none of the guys, or some of the guys have had fights and probably will have fights again. Some of the guys just come for the fun and fitness, but we teach them this way, so then obviously they really think that they're learning a skill, which they are, and it's great for them as well, because obviously they're taking the skill away. Okay, so there again, bang, bang, yeah. So you should be able to move around your bag now. Throw those 1-2s in, bang, bang. Obviously, I know, see, that was quite easy. If you set a clock for 2 minutes and you just go around the bag, that's going to burn, guys, yeah? But if you are using this as a drill to go around your bag after you've watched this video, obviously don't just stand there doing this. Yeah, take your time, reset, see where your guard that is, and you're going 1, 2, guard, set, bang, bang, yeah, again, set, bang, bang, yeah, like that. And obviously you can slow it down and find your range where you need to be. If you are, we'll touch on southpaw, guys. If any of you Rocky Balboas are watching, then obviously it's the same, exactly the same. Everything that you do is obviously you just mirror it, yeah? So you're going to be there like that. Obviously your jab is going to be that right hand, same again, as you can see, we're covered on that jab, the backhand's covered the chin, and then obviously you can switch and change over, like that, yeah? Boom, boom, yeah, nice and tight. Boom, boom, nice and tight. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Yeah, you know the 1-2, bang, bang, get familiar with that. And obviously you can start throwing some different combinations in, and we'll update you with some bag drills that you can do with this 1-2. But the main idea from this session, this video, is that we're looking to be able to throw a 1-2, bang, bang, and it's coming back where it needs to be, yeah? So let's just say, all of a sudden you've done a 1-2, bang, bang, your opponent's ready for another shot, you can throw it again, rather than going 1-2, you know, oh, you've got hit, or obviously you need to try and find a shot from the guy, give him another one, obviously you've got to bring it here, there's no power there because it's not coming through, yeah? So you throw that 1-2 there like that, and then just another thing to touch on as well, guys, you want to add that little bit more power in. So the reason why you stand in that stance is you can get that power in from that back leg as well. So you're up on the toes, and as that backhand comes through, you're just going to screw that left foot into the floor as well. Bang, like that. So you get more power. Jab, bang. Jab, bang, yeah. And same as before I was doing on the jab, we're not punching over the foot with that right hand, guys. So if your jab's landing on the bag, there's no need for you to lunge forward to hit that bag and stay nice and upright, so then you're avoiding going, boom. yeah, and having to go through, see one out of the shot there, you see that? Yeah, so you're there like that, bang, bang, you're not going, as soon as you do that, look at that, look, wide open, I've just walked straight forward, someone's going to counter punch that, boom, good night, no more videos, yeah? So, recap, up on the toes, we're throwing that jab out, bang like that, we're covered, we're not over punching, yeah, we bring the jab back, bring that right hand through, screw that back foot through to bring more power in, yeah, we're not over punching again, yeah, so we're not over punching, we're up nice and right, bang, we throw that 1-2, so there, real time, bang, 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 up on the toes, bang, bang, up on the toes, bang, 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 and obviously you're screwing that back shoulder through as well, guys, yeah? So, hope you've learned something from this guy. So if you've done a 1-2 before, it's very simple. So we've just broken it down a little bit more technical for you, the reasons why we need to be there and the reasons why the guard needs to come back to the chin. Yeah, so if you watch this and you've took something away from it, guys, please use it, yeah? These videos are all about helping you to be able to help your members, help you box if you're at home, so you've got a bag. And if you're a boxing coach, you can pick up little tips as well. So all these tips that I get is from boxing ABA coaches. You know, they've obviously done all their stuff, they know the tricks of the trade, so I just pull stuff from them and bring it into these videos. Yeah, so if you enjoyed it, please comment below, let me know what you're doing with it. Bootcamp instructor, your boxing coach, you know, using these for at home, using them at the gym, and let me know, guys, yeah, I want to get to know you. Let me know what you think about it, and just let me know what other things you want to try and learn as well, and then I can keep bringing these videos out for you, this content. Yeah, so please subscribe if you haven't, then obviously the channel's building, it'd be great, and yeah, let me know if you're watching, because if you don't comment, I don't know if you've watched it or not. So might just be talking to myself. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's been Brad, and I'll see you soon.